Hi, I'm Marie Hopkinson. I'm a Chinese medicine practitioner, acupuncturist and a herbalist. I want to welcome you to my practice, and as a way to do that and to get to know me and to get to know a bit about your own body in terms of Chinese medicine, I've prepared this toolkit that you can download. It's totally free. And what it is it's a combination of all the different tools that I've created for patients over the years, where I'll send them to you. So I'll send you a whole bunch in the first week, and then week by week I'll send you other things that you can use to learn about yourself. So things where you can learn about your body in terms of sleep, appetite and digestion. You can understand what we would consider healthy and what things we would consider unhealthy. And not just to know that, but also how you may be able to help yourself with those things at home. Now, Chinese medicine is particularly individualized. That's why I've called my business Bespoke Medicine, because it's about being completely individualized to your person. So the advice I give you as my patient will be different to this advice. Like, we can give you even more specific advice. However, there's some things where there's just general stuff that Chinese medicine understands about how your body works, how it should work, how it should operate in terms of the seasons, and how we should be in harmony with that. And unfortunately, our Western lifestyle has just pushed us away from things where we kind of ignore the seasons. We ignore those things that are like, they should be common knowledge, but we've kind of moved away from that. So the stuff in this toolkit will help you to kind of understand your body in terms of, like, how much sleep should you be getting in different seasons. Did you know that you shouldn't sleep the same amount of time in each season? Did you know that your diet can change in each season, that the needs of your body changes as the seasons change? So that's just for every single person, just the general healthy stuff. And then there's particular things with diet and lifestyle that you may be able to use, like even acupressure. So there's points you can use to help stop nausea. There's points you can use to help treat pain. And a lot of my patients are looking for natural ways to control pain. Like, they want to get reduced painkillers and look for things that they can use to ease pain. So I'll even give you a whole tool on those natural ways to help stop pain. So I really encourage you to click the link below. Just, you can download that, put your email in and your name, and I'll send you the toolkit straight away, and that will help you get on the journey to discover a bit more about yourself and Chinese medicine in the process. Thank you.